have an I have an LG G2 here, and the screen has a dead spot right there in the middle. Well, as you can see, it doesn't work right there. So I'm going to be taking the screen off, the digitizer, separating it from the LCD screen. And that is going to be done using a blow dryer and a guitar pick and a safety pin. And we are going to start this bottom corner. Seems how that has the most black, so I know that I can go across without damaging the LCD screen. Alright, as you can see, progress is already being made. I hold the blow dryer up pretty high above the phone, trying to keep it at a steady rise in temperature. Just like as if you're baking something, you want the temperature to sink into the glue, but it doesn't take so long, probably about 30 seconds on high. And alright, I'll keep this up and see how it goes. Alright, as you can see, I'm just taking the pick and working it along here. It's separating really easily. The phone's not real hot. That's definitely separating from the LCD. And there it is. The screen is separated from the LCD screen. And I will turn it on right now and see. I used 4 guitar picks I took, and then that one just to start. And in the corner to get it underneath, but there's the LCD screen all covered in glue. And there is the digitizer, which doesn't work. And let's power this on. Let's see. But the LCD still works. Oh, fuck. That sucks. Oh well.